Buenos dias, guys. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Hi, Julian. It is our very first day in Barcelona. This is our first full day. I flew in yesterday. We literally got to the city probably around like 5 or 6 p.m. So this is like our full first day. It's so exciting. We are going right now to breakfast at literally noon because I slept in. He went to go pick up the keys to his apartment and check out the apartment and do all that stuff while I was sleeping because I was so jet lagged, and I actually feel really good. I slept like 13 hours, 14 hours. So that was really good for me because I tend to like get really jet lagged. So right now I just need something to eat because I'm feeling a little bit like lightheaded. So I need to go to breakfast. So we're gonna go to 365. This is our favorite place. We went here so many times in 2018. And we're gonna go there, then we're gonna go to IKEA to pick up some things for his apartment. His apartment is available right now, so we're gonna move into it today and tomorrow. My apartment's not available for 2 more weeks, so I'm gonna live at his place for 2 weeks, just so you guys know. But this is the first of many trips to IKEA, so let's go. We ordered a bocadillo de pollo y zumo de naranja, nada más. Let's eat. So we're here at the metro. We're buying our T-Hove passes for 90 days, and then we're gonna take the metro to IKEA to pick up some cute house decor stuff. Shopping day! So excited. IKEA is one of my favorite places. We're gonna do our best to maintain social distance and hopefully find some cute stuff. So Juliana's looking for a chair, like a comfy lounge chair. This one looks nice. Oh, how does it feel? Is it comfy? Yeah, this one's nice. I would personally get this color. This is like Goldilocks. No? Not the one. This is like high key what I want my bed to look like possibly, but I might do more like neutral colors like I mentioned in my previous vlog. So there's a specific bedding set that I already found on the internet, so I'm hoping that I can find it here, but I don't see it yet. We made it to the warehouse section. We got a few things already in the cart, but we're looking for a shelf for Julian's apartment. So he's picked out this chair for his room. It's just like a wooden color, and then they have some of the materials that you can put on top. I think he's just getting a simple black one, but yeah, looks nice. Anything else? Oh, a balcony table. I see the one that I see the chairs that I want over here. This is exactly the chair as I want that are for my balcony, but I have to find the table that goes with it. This is the best table. I really want this table. Okay guys, so I'm standing in my boyfriend's apartment. We just brought everything in from IKEA and we're about to set everything up. We got a chair for him to sit in. We got a like laundry basket. We got all the bedding that we're gonna wash today. We got a cute little balcony table, which is actually the same one that I want for my apartment, but we just got one for now because we're gonna have to go back to IKEA like a bunch of times because we can only really take as much as we can carry up the apartment. But this is really cute. Let me show you guys the room. So there's a little balcony out there, and here's the little room. There's tile flooring. There's like a little wardrobe over there, and then it's just like this. And then there's a small desk right here. So as you can see, you can definitely hear the street, but what we need to do is totally clean this room because the floor could use some mopping and sweeping and vacuuming, but I don't think we have a vacuum, so probably just gonna have to buy a mop. When you close the doors, you can't hear the street, so it actually has like the best of both worlds. What I love about Spanish apartments is the molding on the ceiling is always really, really pretty. So that's what it looks like. Update time. Julian just built this chair, which looks really, really nice. Just like a little recliner chair. And he also built the balcony table, which is such a cute set. Now we are going to try to figure out some lunch. It's 4 p.m., so we'll see, but here's the little closet layout. Love it because on this side you have the shelves and on this side you just have the full length for all your longer items. I hope mine are structured like this too. I'll show you guys the items that I picked up for my apartment. So I got 2 trash cans that look like this. They were just €1 each. Then I got some extension cord plugs. These are really helpful for especially like your computer area. I got this mirror for my desk because I have my own bathroom, but I also think it's nice to sometimes just sit in the actual room and like do my makeup and like just call my mom, you know, just like have like a chill time. And I love this mirror so much. It's really big. And then I lastly got a little plant. I thought it went with the vibes. I wanted to go for like white with this neutral tan color and then some plants for like a little pop of color. So I love this one. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but these were just the few items I got because this round was mainly about getting stuff for Julian's apartment. So we're gonna have to go back in a few more days, but that's our little apartment progress. We took a quick detour at Five Guys and we are sitting here. I got a strawberry banana Oreo milkshake and I got a hot dog, and Julian got a burger. Then we're going to go to the grocery store to get cleaning supplies, quickly clean the apartment, and then we're gonna make our dinner reservations around 9 or something at an Asian restaurant, we think. So that's a brief little update. We're so hungry, so we're gonna eat. We need a cutting board.
Yep.
You guys, my suitcases have arrived. They're a little worse for wear, but they've been through it and they've made it, and that's the most important thing. I'm so freaking happy I can wear something other than airport clothes. Updates to the apartment. We got this mirror to go on top of a little bookshelf. So Julian is cleaning the mirror right now, but I'll show you the little bookshelf that we got. Looks so cute, right? It's from IKEA as well. We had this actually in our old apartment in Bonn, and he has space up here for his mixing board, and it looks so good in here. I'm so excited. We just have to find a place to put my suitcases for the time being, and also where he wants to store his so they're not like visible. But we're just in the process of cleaning everything. We're cleaning our bathroom today. We have all our cleaning supplies, so things are really coming together. It is like really crazy outside in terms of like the noise, so I apologize for that. So the plan for today, we have some errands to get done this morning, so we'll see what we have time for. We just had breakfast, as you guys saw. We cleaned the bathroom. So we're just going to go to Zara Home and Media Markt to get some stuff for my apartment, and that's pretty much the plan for the day. Tonight we're gonna make either bolognese pasta or burritos, so we'll see what we do, but I'm excited for the day. This is what I'm wearing today. It's just this little white dress with a little slit in the side. I think it's so like just cute. My shoes are just these little sandals, which kind of match the tile of the floors, and I'm ready to go. Estoy aquí en Plaza Catalunya. So beautiful. And there's Corte Ingles. This is a department store that basically sells everything. It's so windy, but I love it. El Corte Ingles, here we come. So mainly I'm looking for a pair of sheets that are really soft, maybe also a duvet cover. Up we go. This is like what, 7, 8, 10 stories? Look at all of this stuff. I want it all. I want everything. So it's like electronics and home stuff, storage, which I really need. All right, let's go shopping. This is literally my dream bedding set. I think like it's honestly really my favorite. I love this washed linen. I picked up these 2 spoons for cooking because I just like having one to flip eggs and one to make like sauces and things like that. Oh my God, guys, we hit the bath towel jackpot. This one seems nice. Or this waffle weave I really like too, because it's a bit lighter. They have so much bedding here. Duvet cover. This is a really cute one. Do you think I should get it? I mean, why not? It's not so soft, but...
Oh, it is.
What do you guys think about these? I really like them.
Okay.
Yep. This color.
This, like this more.
You like it more than white?
Okay. White, Savannah Bajera, and this in
Okay,
gray.
I agree. All right, some damage has been done today at Zara Home. I got a very, very cute duvet cover set and some sheets and pillows. Very excited. Okay, we're here at Zenzu, which is my favorite bubble tea place in Barcelona. We're at Boqueria. We're checking out how many things are actually opened. A lot of these things are actually not open, which is pretty sad, to be honest, because I mean, this has been a huge tourist attraction, and obviously the tourism industry was definitely struggling. But what's really popular here are all these smoothies and fruits. It's really nice. I would get one if I didn't already have this one. But they also have fish and meats and cheese. Really delicious stuff. Seafood is still open, which is good. They have some really fresh seafood here. Hello guys, so I am back now at Julian's apartment, and this is actually one of the items that we are hauling, and it's a really like warm, cozy light. So I'm very excited about that, but I wanted to sit down and show you guys a quick haul of everything that I've picked up. I went to mainly Corte Ingles and Zara Home, so I got some like kitchen stuff. I got my like dishware set that I want to use, and I also got some bedding. I got really cute bedding, so I'm very excited to show you guys. I guess I'll show you guys my bedding set. If you follow me on Instagram, I did a little poll about this. I asked you if I should do a white duvet cover or a kind of like neutral tan colored one, because my room is like very white at my new apartment. It has white walls, white furniture, and pretty light floors, so I was kind of wanting to do like a non-white bedding, and 70% of you guys also thought that, so I decided to go with the neutral color. It is so cute. It is from Zara Home. So this is the set. It is 100% linen. It's a very like pretty, just like natural boho, kind of like wrinkly material, and I think it's gonna be so cute. So I have 2 pillowcases, 1 duvet cover. I'll show you guys compared to my white sheet set I got. This is 100% cotton sateen, so it's very silky and smooth. It is white, so you guys can see the color difference. But I think it'll be nice to have white sheets that I can wash with my white towels with bleach to really like make sure they're extra clean. And then for my duvet cover to have this neutral color. So that is what I got. And I also, could you pass me my pillow? I also got these pillows from Zara Home. First of all, this is the cutest packaging for a pillow ever. But I picked these out because I knew I wanted like really good quality, fluffy, springy pillows. That's just what I like to sleep with. And this is what the pillows look like in one of the pillowcases that I just showed you guys. It is so fluffy, you guys. It's so comfortable. This is like so important for me. I think these are gonna look so cute on my bed, and I have to still wash all of the bedding. So I'll be doing that after I film this haul. Next up from Zara Home, I wanted to show you guys my like plates and bowls and cups that I picked out for my apartment. Starting off with glasses, I just picked out these normal, just tall glasses. They're just really cute. They kind of have like a little bit of like a curvy-ish design on the bottom, and these are for smoothies, just water, any drinks that I have. I wanted taller glasses because I tend to drink like a ton of water when I'm having my meals, and my smoothies are quite large. So these are the wine glasses that I picked out. I didn't want to do the traditional shape because Julian bought those for his apartment, so I wanted to do something kind of just like different for mine. So these are kind of like squared at the bottom and more narrow at the top. They feel really nice quality. So next up are these bowl plates. I love these. These are perfect for everything. They are just like the perfect size. You can have pasta, you can have like salmon and veggies, you can have a smoothie bowl, you can have oatmeal, you can have a yogurt parfait. So they're really ideal for just like every kind of meal that I could have in my life. It's hard to tell on camera, but they have a little bit of kind of like a imperfect pattern to them, which kind of reminds me of Rae Dunn. Her stuff is sold at TJ Maxx if you guys have ever seen it. It's not as textured as those, but it has a little bit of it, and I just love it. So these are the plates. They're just classic, simple circle white plates, and I really like these a lot. Last but not least, I picked up this silverware set, and I think it is so freaking cute. It's super different than anything I would ever normally choose. So as you can see, it is just normal silver at the top, and then it is like wood paneling on either side of the actual utensil, I guess. I thought that this would be such a fun little set, and it just looks so cute with my little bowls and my wine glasses. And this is the first time that I've ever actually picked out a set. I think I got a set for college, but it was just one of those like big sets of 30, and it was just like a really basic one. This one was actually nice because I got to look at all the different ones and pick out the ones that I wanted. So really fun experience. Now I'm gonna move on to what I got from Corte Ingles. You guys saw I showed you at the store today I picked up a wooden spoon, and I picked up this little black spatula as well. And I also got this pan for just like sauteing and cooking anything. I love this brand. I never had anything from this brand before. It's called Tefal, something like that. But they're really great pans. Then I also got a normal just like boiling water pan, soup pan for ramen. And I also got a set of 3 colored cutting boards, which I'm so excited about because I already know the small one will be for fruit, the medium one will be for meat, and then the big one will be for veggies. So it's perfect. My last item is very exciting, and if you followed me over the summer, you guys already know that this is very exciting. I got a NutriBullet. I love this blender. I have used other blenders like years and years ago, but for the last like probably 5 to 6 years or something like that, I've used a NutriBullet. This is what it looks like. It comes with the small and the large cup, and it has a little to-go lid as well. And it's just so cute, and I'm so excited because I can now make all of my smoothies while I'm here. I didn't want that to stop when I got to Spain because smoothies are something that I love. They're just like really refreshing, and yeah, I just love them. So I wanted to get a really good blender while I'm here because I do make smoothies like every single morning. So I knew that that would be a good investment for me to have. But that is everything that I picked up. I'm so excited to just wash all my bedding, wash all my dinner dishware and stuff like that, and move into my apartment. And I didn't show my bathroom stuff. 1 second. Guys, I literally forgot to show you guys some of the bathroom stuff that I got at IKEA. I actually got one kitchen thing. I got one of these little drying pads for whenever I do my dishes. Looks like that. It's a mint green color. Kind of goes with the cutting boards, so thought it was a cute little set. And for my bathroom, I wanted to kind of go along with the white and the neutral color, so that's exactly what I did. I got this rug for the bathroom floor. It has these little textured dots on them, and this is actually great because these dry really quick. Yulian has this exact mat, but in gray. I got the small and the large version of this towel, which it's a little bit difficult to see, but it has this little kind of waffle weave texture on one side, and then on the other side, it's just like a terry cloth that most bath towels are made in. I got 2 small hand towels, and I got 2 large body towels, and these were just washed, so they're a little bit wrinkly, but these are great. They're so lightweight, and they dry super quickly. I like that they have this little dual texture thing. They look really like spa-like and just relaxing, so I'm super obsessed with all of those things. So now that is everything. I covered my bedding, my kitchen, my bathroom stuff. I have a few more things that I want to pick up, like some home decor, some storage. I have a couple furniture pieces that I need to go to IKEA for. I'm hoping to go shopping with my roommates as well, because there's definitely still stuff that I want to get to make the apartment super cute. So that is everything for now. Kind of a lot of stuff, not gonna lie, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little section of the video. For the rest of the day, I think we're just gonna chill. It's almost dinner time. We're gonna make bolognese tonight, which I'm very excited about, and I'm just going to catch up with you guys when we have dinner. I already kind of digged into my pasta, but we just made some bolognese. We had some ground beef, and then we added some onion, garlic, some fresh tomatoes, and tomato sauce. It's so good. We have our glasses of wine right here, and just a nice atmosphere. I love eating outside, al fresco, as people say. Hi guys, I just wanted to pop on here and film the outro of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm just so excited to be here and to be sharing future vlogs with you guys, because I have been vlogging literally non-stop, and this first vlog I feel like was a little bit chaotic because I didn't get as much footage on certain things like cleaning the apartment that I would have liked, but it was just literally so hectic moving in, and I tried to vlog as much as I could of like our shopping and what I bought, and as much as I could the first couple days, but I was super jet lagged and it was so hot because I was adjusting to having no AC. I'm much better now, and I have filmed some really fun vlogs, so I'm super excited for you guys to see them. And yeah, that's my little outro for this video, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video.